HON66 tutorial. First of all, pay attention to the lift arrow. If the arrow is up, clicking direction is up. If the arrow is down, the clicking direction is down. Let's look for woofers. A group has only 3 woofers. From the second to the fourth, we will touch the position if it is spongy. The second woofer is up. The fourth woofer is down. And the fourth woofer is up. A group has only 3 woofers. And now, let's get the woofers on B group. In the same way, touch the lifter if it is spongy. We can confirm the woofer by spongy position. The first woofer is down. The second woofer is up. The third woofer is down. The fourth woofer is up. The fifth is down. All woofers ready. Let's pick it. Keep pushing tension bar. Pick A group at first. If spongy, pass. If not spongy, click the position by lifter. And then try another one. The fourth position is not spongy. Please click. It's time to click on B group. From the first woofer, touch it if it is spongy. Try another one. The second is up. Touch it. Not spongy. Please click. Try the third one. Spongy. Pass. The fourth, not spongy. Click. And then the fifth, click. Turn the halfway. Let me adjust the proper view. We have to turn another halfway. Just to click A group, 3 woofers. The second, not spongy. Click. The third, not spongy. Click. The fourth, not spongy. Click. A and B group, all is okay. It's time to get it keep beating. In the same way, A group at first. The second position is 1. The third position is 1. The fourth position, 3. And then B group. The first, 6. The second is 4. The third is 5. The fourth is 4. The fifth is 3. Keep beating is ready. Input the keep beating into the machine. Click cut by beating. Search HON66. Enter HON66. The first one. Install the key blank depending on guiding picture. Depending on the first line. A group has only 3 woofers. Input 1, 1, 3. B group 6, 4, 5, 4, 3. The first, no woofers, input 1. The fifth, input 5. The last is 1. B group, the sixth is 1. If all beatings ready, please click cut. Click continue. Finish cutting both sides. Clean the particles. Pay more attention. This lock must turn back. How to turn back? Just use lifter A. Only click A group. 3 woofers. Second, third, and fourth. One more time. Second, third, and fourth. Go on. Second. It's okay. And then the key can be inserted to the lock. Let's try it. Perfect cutting.